Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, they said, I plan on protecting an idea with a patent, but I don't plan on making a profit on it for another year. I also plan on working on it as a hobby for the next 6 months. For the purposes of taxes, would this make it a hobby, which means I can't write it off? Should I run this project as an individual, then buy my IP from myself when I start the company? I want to hire a lawyer to review and approve a provisional patent application I started. Okay, well, for starters, just because you're not making a profit does not necessarily mean you don't have a company. Lots of companies go for years without making a profit. So I would start by having a meeting with a lawyer and an accountant to make sure that you set your company up properly, because even if this is a side project, it could just because you're not making a profit, you're not operating it as your full-time business. That doesn't mean you don't have a company. And so my recommendation is you want to protect yourself from day one with an entity. Make sure you set yourself up properly for tax purposes. I know the IRS watches out for hobbyists, like trying to claim that their hobby is a company. This doesn't sound like you're in that boat, but I always refer all tax questions to accountants for a reason. They're the experts. Go ask them. What's the rest of your question? So it is possible that this is something you could write off. Again, talk to the accountant on that one. And so, I don't recommend operating this as an individual. If you have aspirations of having it become a company, I would start it as a company, even if you're not making a profit, and running it accordingly. So there's my 2 cents on that one. There are situations in which we recommend that people have 2 companies. One company is the holding company for the intellectual property, and they license the IP to the company that actually uses it. Whether or not you're in that boat is something for you to discuss with your lawyer. So I hope this has been helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel. I put out new content every week. If you have a question you want me to answer in an upcoming video, please leave it below or shoot me an email. Of course, watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship with any viewer. It's merely legal information, not legal advice. If you need legal advice, go hire somebody. That's all I have on this topic for now. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.